You guys, this is the 2017 Renault Kadjar. It's an automatic transmission, petrol engine, two-wheel drive option. There are other options depending on the fuel type, either diesel or petrol, or the transmission, either manual or automatic. I mentioned a few tech things I like about the Kadjar in a collab video with the Motie guy. Head over to his channel, link in the description down below. Watch the video and subscribe to his channel. That's been it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. This is Abumboro and have a good one. I'm out.